I'm Brian Colaroso. I'm the owner of Mesa Carwash. I have 3 self-serve bays with the JetWash in those bays and the ChoiceWash in the automatic bay, and it's been very good equipment. I have a lot of competition where I'm at. I'm also on a busy street, and what makes my car wash stand out is that I have both car wash, the choice for self-serve for people who want to do that, and the automatic for people who don't want to do so much. Keith Grono is my Mark VII representative. I couldn't ask for a better person to help me with and a better salesman. He's been there through thick and thin, and if I had any questions, he was there to take care of them. When I started the car wash business, I didn't know anything about it, so I was depending on my skill levels, which was nothing. So I asked Mark VII and Keith how to do this, and with Keith's help and Mark VII's help, they brought everything together, from the equipment to the chemicals to the service, the warranty work. They were very good. I couldn't ask for a better partner. My equipment room is probably the smallest equipment room on the north side of town. It's very small, and when we were discussing the options that I wanted for this car wash here, we were all wondering, could we get it all in? And I worked with an installer by the name of Don. He was probably the best in the business, had no problems getting everything done. We got all the equipment in there, the pumps, the chemicals, and there's still room to move around. We put in a lot of new equipment. It worked out real well. At my car wash, I wash approximately 80 cars a day, depending on the weather in Colorado. Quality of my self-serve bays, the JetWash, is very good, and the only reason I know this is because of the customer feedback. They all come in and they tell me that I have the best chemicals, I have the best pressure, everything is always working. When they put in a credit card, it always runs. If they decide to put in coins, it's always accepted. They don't have mechanical breakdowns, and it's been very easy going. The quality of the ChoiceWash XT is very good. It gives my customers several different options. They can go touchless, or they can use the soft brush. They can get more wax if they want, or they can be in and out as fast as they want. I really enjoy having Mark VII service techs come out. They always know exactly what's going on with the equipment. They always have the parts on the truck. They show up when they say they're going to. They repair what it is. They get in and out as fast as possible. Mark VII has been a very good vendor to work with. If I start another car wash, which I'm thinking about, I won't call anybody else except for Mark VII, and they've been a great partner for me. They've taught me a lot, and I appreciate it. I'm glad that I use Mark VII as a vendor. Instead of just being a vendor, they become a partner of mine. They have helped me out. Without them, I'm not sure I'd be where I am today.